Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to swap a product for existing subscribers using the bulk update tool. There may be times when a subscription product goes out of stock or you no longer want to sell it. The bulk update tool in Bold subscriptions allows you to remove a product from all of your customers' existing subscriptions and replace it with another. In order to swap products, the products must belong to the same subscription group. To add a new product to an existing subscription group in the Bold subscriptions admin, click Subscription Groups. Click the ellipsis next to a subscription group, then click Edit Subscription Group. Click Select Products, locate the product in the product selector, and then click Confirm. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. To perform a bulk product swap, click Subscriptions, then Bulk Updates. Click Create a Bulk Update at the top of the page. Using the drop-down under Update Type, select Swap Products. Next, click Select Products and choose a product you want to swap out of your customers' existing subscriptions, and then click Confirm. Click Choose New Product, select the new product, and click Confirm. After clicking Confirm, the initial product and the product you would like to exchange it for should appear on the page. Review the products to ensure that the correct products have been selected. Click Confirm Changes and then Start Update to perform the swap. At this point, a sync starts to perform the bulk product swap. You can navigate away from this page and return back once the sync has been completed. Generally, the sync can take anywhere from a few minutes to hours depending on how many subscribers are being updated. Once your updates are complete, it's good practice to download the summary of the bulk update report. This outlines all of the changes in a CSV file. As you can see on this page for my customer is currently subscribed to a 1 pound coffee bag. If I refresh the page, my customer now has a 2 pound coffee bag after using the bulk update tool. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold subscriptions, please visit our help center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.